Hello, guys! So some people have been hearing weird sounds in Brookhaven private servers, and I am here to investigate it. So it happens if Windows open for 10 hours, sometimes it doesn't work. I am scared already. Will this what I did? I was walking inside this house. Mommy, I am scared. Help, this is the sound. This is the spun I was talking about. I am really scared. Also, people say it is a monster trying to eat their avatar. The monster's name is Hampers. It's not a Roblox profile. Ooh, I am really scared of this sound. Hampers also says your IP address. If he sees you if here, he only keeps the sound. Someone help!